Hi, I'm Lynn. Today, I want to share about my normal school day. I hope you enjoy listening. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. My mom calls me. I get up. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I feel sleepy, but I must go to school. I eat breakfast. I eat noodles or bread with eggs. Sometimes I drink milk. My mom cooks for me. I say thank you to her. After breakfast, I get ready for school. I wear my uniform and take my school bag. To school. My house is not far. I go with my friend. Her name is Mai. We talk and laugh. We are happy. My school starts at 7:30. The first class is English. I like English. The teacher is nice. We learn words and speak. Sometimes we sing songs. I like English songs. After that, I study math. Math is hard. I try to listen. The teacher writes numbers on the board. I do my best. Then we have break time. I eat a snack and talk with friends. I drink water. We sit under the tree. At 10:15, we study science. Science is fun. Today, we learn about animals. I like cats and dogs. We look at pictures and talk about them. The teacher shows us a video. Next is history. I don't like history. It is boring, but I still study. I want to get better. We read a book and listen to the teacher. At 12 o'clock, school finishes. I go home. I say goodbye to my friends. I walk home with Mai again. When I get home, I rest. I eat lunch with my family. We eat rice and vegetables. After lunch, I help my mom. I clean the table. I sweep the floor. In the afternoon, I do homework. I do English, math, and science homework. Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it is hard. I ask my sister for help. After homework, I watch TV. I like cartoons. My favorite cartoon is Doraemon. He is funny. At 6 o'clock, we eat dinner. My dad comes home. We talk about school and work. We eat chicken and soup. I help wash the dishes. After dinner, I take a shower. Then I read a book. I like reading before bed. At 9 o'clock, I go to bed. I feel tired. I sleep well. That is my school day. I do many things. I study, I play, I eat, and I sleep. It is simple, but I like it. Thank you for listening to my story.